Tallulah Pants. I love you so much. I love you. Let's get married. Let's get married. I love you. Oh, let's have a baby child. Mama's having a baby child. Oh, this is the baby child. The baby child's Mr. Tallulah Pants Jr. It's Mr. Tallulah Pants Jr., okay? So it's Mr. Tallulah Pants Jr., Mr. Tallulah Pants, and Mrs. Tallulah Pants, okay? Mr. Camera Person, you got that? You got that? Did you get that?
No.
Okay.
I got that
So
one.
now we're going, and we're gonna go to sleep. Stop jerking off. I don't like you anymore, Mr. Tallulah Pants. You broke my heart. Die! Die! I'm gonna kill you, baby. That's what you get for cheating on me. Oh, hello, Mrs. Flufflekins. Let's get married. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. We're getting married. I love you, Mrs. Foo-Foo Pants. Oh, let's go have a baby. Let's go have a baby child. Mama's having a baby child. Baby child, Mrs. Junior Tallulah Pants. Named after my ex-girlfriend and wife. Okay, mister? So then, no, I don't like you anymore because then you did the same thing my ex-wife did. Okay? Take your stupid baby too. Stupid bitch. Die. Die.